Who else has realized that when you try to download an Instagram Reels, there are 3 bad things that Instagram does to the video? 1, it reduces the quality of the video. 2, it removes the audio like we sent you. And number 3, it leaves the Instagram Reels watermark on it. So what I use to avert all of these problems is the Snaptic app. It's not an app, it's a website. So I'm going to be sharing with you my screen so that you see how I use this website to get my videos on my phone without having Instagram do all of those bad things to my videos. So the first thing you want to do is to go to the video you would love to download, and then you click on this icon here and copy the link. Afterwards, go to Google and then you type in snapinsta.app. This is the website. You paste the URL. Afterwards, download. Come here. Then you have your video. Save to your gallery. Then you have the video in your gallery. So you have this. Doesn't reduce the quality, doesn't remove the audio, and then it doesn't put the Reels watermark on it. If you like this video, please hit the like button down below, and if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel so that you get notified anytime I post helpful content like this. I'll see you next week. Bye.